Are you looking for the top 5 best box fans for sleeping? Stay cool and sleep better. How much should you actually spend on a box fan for sleeping? Some people are totally fine with the cheap ones, while others swear by the pricier models. It's interesting to see what really works and what just looks good.
Product number 1. Honeywell Turbo Force. The Honeywell Turbo Force air circulator caught my eye right away. It's a small tabletop fan priced for those looking for effective cooling without breaking the bank. If you want a quiet fan that delivers strong airflow, this is worth a serious look. This fan is 25% quieter than many comparable options, which is a big deal if you're trying to sleep. The aerodynamic turbo design lets you feel the breeze from up to 25 feet away, making it perfect for a bedroom. With 3 speed settings and a 90-degree pivoting head, you can customize your cooling experience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're battling nighttime heat or want to circulate air in your room, this fan addresses those common frustrations. Now, some people complained about the fan being a bit too small for larger rooms. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for your bedroom or a small office, the size shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. It's more about efficient cooling than covering large areas. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, quiet fan for your bedroom. Skip this one if you need something for a vast space. For its price point, it's a solid investment. Now, if the size of the Honeywell bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more power.
Product number 2, Amazon Basics Box Fan. Next up, we have the Amazon Basics 3-speed box fan. This one stood out to me because of its combination of portability and power, all at an affordable price. If you're looking for something you can easily move around to different rooms, this is worth a serious look. This fan offers 3 speed settings, so you can tailor the airflow exactly to your comfort level. Weighing just 5.8 pounds, it's super easy to carry around, whether you're moving it from the bedroom to the living room or taking it outside. The freestanding design ensures it won't tip over easily, which is a plus for safety, especially if you have pets or kids. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a reliable fan that can adapt to different settings, and this one delivers that flexibility. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit noisy on higher settings. Here's the thing though, if you're a heavy sleeper, you might not find it bothersome at all. It's still a great value overall. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that you can easily transport around your home. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise while sleeping. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact spaces. Product number 3, Amazon Basics Air Circulator. Moving on, let's talk about the Amazon Basics Air Circulator Desk Fan. I love the compact design of this fan, which makes it easy to fit just about anywhere. If you want a fan that doesn't take up much space, but still provides great airflow, this one is worth a serious look. Measuring at just 6.3 by 11.1 inches, this fan is perfect for desks or small bedroom corners. The 90-degree tilt feature allows you to direct airflow exactly where you need it, which is huge for comfort while you sleep. Plus, with 3 speed settings, you can easily find the perfect breeze for any time of day. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tight on space but still want a reliable cooling option, this fan is ideal. Now, some customers have said that the fan isn't as powerful as they expected. But here's the thing, for small spaces, it's actually quite effective, and the noise level is pretty low, making it great for nighttime use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a space-saving option for your bedroom or office. Skip this one if you need something for larger areas. Given its price, it's a smart buy. Now, if you need a bit more power for larger rooms. Product number 4, Drio Fan. Next, we have the Drio fan, which really impressed me with its powerful airflow. Priced at about $39.92, this fan is designed to circulate air effectively throughout larger spaces. If you want something that can cool down your entire room, this is worth a serious look. This fan features a wing boost system that can propel air up to 70 feet. That's some serious reach. It operates at a whisper-quiet 25 decibels, making it perfect if you're trying to sleep peacefully. Plus, with 3 speed settings, you can easily adjust the airflow to find what feels best for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're dealing with heat in a larger room, this fan can actually make a difference. Now, some users find it a bit bulky compared to smaller fans. But here's the thing, if you need that powerful airflow, the size is a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have a larger space that needs cooling. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact. The price is reasonable for the performance you get. Now, if you're after a fan that's easy to move around,
Product number 5, Lasco Wind Machine Fan. This fan has a rugged design and caught my attention because it's built to last. If you want something durable that can handle regular use, this is worth a serious look. With 3 high-performance speeds and a pivoting head, you can customize your airflow direction easily. This fan is especially effective in larger rooms, thanks to its powerful output. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need a fan that can keep up with the demands of a big space, the Lasco is up for the challenge. Now, some reviews mention that it can be quite noisy on the highest setting. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a large room, that power is what you want and it might not bother you as much. This is perfect for you if you need a robust fan for larger areas. Skip this one.
So, to wrap it all up, we've looked at the Honeywell Turbo Force for quiet cooling, the Amazon Basics box fan for portability, the compact Amazon Basics air circulator, the powerful Drio fan for larger spaces, and the durable Lasco wind machine. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most to you. I hope this helps you find the perfect box fan for a cool, restful night.